It's such a rainy, wet, gloomy day. I'm actually home alone as Dean is invited for some work trip. So I thought, why not step out and meet my girlfriend for lunch? Because if I was going to be home, I was literally going to be a couch potato for the entire day, which is fine. But I think I just needed to get out of the house. So off we go to Soho for a catch up. I've reached Oxford Circus, but I'm so scared to hold my phone out to film. Off we go. It's an Australian brunch spot. Probably that's what is needed to lift our spirits in this rainy, gloomy weather. I'm back home and I'm by myself, so I need to make a quick and easy girl dinner, which is just for one person. So Dean is currently away. I'm all by myself this week. Thought this would be a nice way to catch up with you guys whilst I make my dinner. Today was a really nice relaxing day. I went to Central to this place called 𝗦𝗰𝗶𝗹. It's an Australian cafe and I met up with my girlfriend. We had an amazing chat which was long overdue about literally everything under the sun, and that's how it is. We meet every few months and then we just catch up over a few hours about everything that's going on in the world, in our lives, in our friends' lives, and our partners' lives. We were talking about something which really struck me is how as women have so much more imposter syndrome and self-doubt compared to men. For example, every time someone asks me about my social media or I have to talk about it to anyone, I always preface it by saying, oh, in the world of social media, in the world of YouTube, I have a really small following, and I always minimize my wins. She was talking about something similar. So she is in the tech world. I quite like having friends outside of medical worlds. She has currently taken a career break to focus on her other passions and her health. I have so much respect and admiration for her to do that. Somebody asked her about what does she do. Her husband checked her saying, you're not unemployed, you've taken a career break. Even Dean corrects me when I sort of minimize my wins. Yeah, essentially you wanted to say that we've married green forest. This is in no way a brag, but we just felt very grateful in that moment. We're talking also about people that we know within our circles who have unsupportive partners, and it's so important. I'm not saying that everybody has to marry, but if you do choose a life partner, it's so important that a guy is not threatened by his partner's wins and he is so proud and so happy even if the woman earns more than the guy. I also know that a lot of my audience is younger girls and younger women, so I just wanted to remind you that first of all, there's no need or rush to be like you have to be with someone. You can continue to live your life by yourself. The one person you're going to spend the maximum amount of time in your life is going to be you and in your head. So make sure that is a nice, safe, healthy, peaceful place. If you do choose to spend your life with someone else, make sure that's the right choice because it's such an important decision to be made. So yeah, anyway, in the moment we were feeling quite grateful and thankful about it and we were reflecting on it. Coming to dinner, this is the most quickest and easiest dinner you'll ever see because while this is going to cook in the oven, I literally have to do nothing, just pop it all in the oven and 20 minutes later have my dinner. I've got tomatoes, salmon, spinach leaves. This is herb cheese. I've thrown the cover, but I'll put the name over here and let's just put some olive oil and pepper and pop it in the oven. That's about it. And whilst that's cooking, I'm going to boil the pasta and go and sort out the laundry. So that way, spending least amount of time in the kitchen. This also means I'm going to be washing the least amount of utensils. Okay, oven's ready. plane going above me. Can you see that? There you go. I was meant to be sat at home editing my vlog, but it's such a nice, gorgeous day that I've dragged my posterior to go to the gym. I almost didn't want to go, but I always remind myself of the after workout feeling, which is a great motivation to go in. If I don't get my workout done earlier in the day, then I'm definitely not going to go into the gym at all. Plan for this year has been to get the workouts earlier in the day rather than wait for later, because later motivation is definitely not going to show up. This is going to be a good workout kind of day, so off we go to the gym. It's 9:11 a.m. and I've just now finished with the morning handover. Today is a Sunday morning. I'm on a 24-hour on-call which finishes at 9 a.m. tomorrow on a Monday morning. Handover looks okay. It always starts this way, so fingers crossed things are going to be okay for the rest of the day. And the most infamous words always are, I think it'll be fine, and the next moment I get a call to go into A&E. So for now, I'm going to enjoy my cuppa. It's currently 3:45 p.m. I've had my lunch. So I've just been called in to go for a section 136 assessment. So I've got my tea, my bags all ready. Going to call for a cab and off we go to A&E. Done with the assessment, now going upstairs to document. Just finished with my assessment. It's almost 8:30 p.m. I'm currently waiting for a cab to go home. I'm really hoping that this is it. I'm so hungry that the last thing I ate was lunch at possibly 1:30 p.m. So yeah, really hungry. Can't wait to go grab some food and get some nutrition in me. And hopefully that is it. I attend the handover and go off to sleep. That would be an ideal rest of the night shift, but we shall see how it goes. Morning, folks. The last time I was filming was on a Sunday when I was still on call. It was a really busy, chaotic on call, and I just did not have it in me to film any longer. So I kind of stopped filming after I was at the hospital. I just couldn't get any sleep, which then meant that leaked into my Monday, because after 24 hours, you're meant to be in the next day as well. We can have a few hours of rest in the morning, but we are meant to go in the afternoon. But I just did not have it in me to pick up my camera to vlog. So that's why after Sunday, this is when you're seeing me. Today is a Friday, so we're going into a weekend. I do not work on Friday, so which is very chilled. I woke up pretty late, got life admin stuff out of the way, which is great when you work less than full time, because you have this one day to yourself where you can catch up on all of these things. The other issue that's come about is my laptop has given up on me after almost 5 years. The trackpad is not working very well. I mean, it's scrolling, but I'm unable to click properly. Why are you guys so far away? Let me bring you guys closer. Okay, and that's really bothering me because I use my laptop to essentially do all of my content, all of my editing. I just realized my cup of coffee matches my pajamas. By the way, these pajamas, I am obsessed with them. They're so soft. And I've just realized that this color contrast actually works really well. It almost looks like I'm wearing a shirt, but I'm actually wearing pajamas under sweater. If you were just to look at me this way, I mean, I can get away with calling this a shirt if it was like a formal meeting. Also, I've taken forever to finish reading this book. I've realized that if it was a fiction book, I would get through it so quickly. I think psychological thrillers, murder, suspense, mystery kind of genre is my vibe. I've told myself I'm going to read a lot more in 2026. That's what I told myself in 2025. That's one thing I didn't follow through. So I'm really trying to honor that promise to myself. Let's crack on with reading. I've got a few brand emails that I need to attend to, and I'll see you on the flip side. This is later on at night. I'm in charge of making dinner tonight. Today is 𝗦𝗰𝗶𝗹 𝗟𝗶, so can't be using meat. Plan is to make a very simple aglio olio pasta. Adding some crushed chilies. Team dinner's ready. This is 8 a.m. on a Saturday morning and we are on our way to a reformer class. Who are we? Today's sunrise has been absolutely unreal. Look at the sunrise views. Hold on. Morning. It's not morning, it's actually afternoon. Finished a good, nice workout. Attended reformer class and now we are off to Brompton because my laptop is giving me a headache. So as I was telling you guys yesterday, my trackpad stopped working properly. So I'm going to go to the Apple store and ask them what's the fuss about. Hopefully I don't have to buy a new one. I'm really praying and hoping. It's literally January and this is going to be a dent in my savings. It's a really nice sunny day. This vlog half the time becomes like a weather forecast. But yeah, it's a very nice sunny day. I'll do a proper fit check when I'm out of the tube. There are people literally sat opposite me. So this is taking a lot of guts to be filming. But yeah, we'll see you in Knightsbridge. Goes without saying, you guys are coming along with me. Let's go. Currently sat here in Apple store waiting for check-in. Guys asked us to come.
That's our intro to camera control to get you into your car.
Have you walked into a
If you
lecture?
want to play around, you can.